Welcome back, everyone, to Hyblock's one and only series where we explore new indicators, break them down, and apply them to develop better trading strategies. Today's spotlight is on a powerful tool, the bot tracker. This indicator tracks and counts specific types of market orders, often executed in patterns that resemble automated trading, or bots. And understanding bot activity, that can give you an edge in reading market structure. Let's get right into it. Find the bot tracker under the sentiment section and apply it to the BTC price chart. At first glance, nothing unusual. It looks quiet, maybe even underwhelming. But this is where the real game begins. So, pay close attention. Head into the bot tracker's settings and look for the type option. Change it to Delta. This mode shows both buy and sell bot-like activity in one combined view. To make it more readable, go into the Style section of the settings. Choose colors that clearly separate positive, buy, and negative, sell activity. This makes the analysis far more visual. Now look closely at the Delta chart. Notice how sell bot activity shows up just before the price drops, and how buy bot activity appears before BTC begins a bullish move? Not only is the behavior consistent, but there's a significant volume of bot activity too. Sounds like alpha, right? But we're not done yet. Let's now break it down by exchange, starting with Binance. Notice how the bot activity on Binance closely mirrors the aggregated chart? This may suggest that Binance bots are driving the trend. Now switch to Coinbase. There's a buy bot spike just before the recent uptrend, but if you look further back, not every buy signal held up. Also, the bot activity here is much lower compared to Binance, and that's an important observation. Higher bot activity is equal to higher significance. More bots usually means more volume is in play, which can make those signals more reliable. So why does bot activity even matter? Because bots often front-run trends, react to liquidity shifts, and can even signal upcoming volatility. Understanding these signals can help traders adjust quickly, especially in short-term or high-frequency trading environments. Thanks for tuning in. If this gave you a new perspective, hit that subscribe button for more insights. You can explore the bot tracker now at hyblockcapital.com and level up your market awareness. Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp, and keep pushing the edge.